Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button. When we pick it we can open camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to useful features category, and here at the third position we have location tags option with short info from the device that this can add tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, we have to tap to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, so this is how it looks like. To check its location, we have to simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we get access to more details and the map with full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.